Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job opening from Lonar Technologies. They are hiring for Senior Talent Acquisition Executive position for IT. So the candidate must have 3 to 6 years of work experience and the job location will be Bangalore. A work from home option is also available. So if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. And for more detailed information, you can please contact them with the given phone number, that is 7006844328. That's it in this video. For more videos from this location, you please check out the playlist. Those links are given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.